Hey guys, it's Ryan. Here is a laser review of what we did today, Tuesday, January 21st. I'm realizing this is a mistake right here. Okay, here's what we did. We worked on something called biomes and ecosystems. So there's a packet that looks like this in the crate you'll find, and it goes along with this slide deck. So you'll find both of these in Classroom right here, the paper and the deck. Here's what you do. For the warm up, to do today's activity, you need to know what your study species is. Which animal are you going to be researching at the zoo? This is from day 6 if you missed it already. Then for warm up, we looked up these 3 vocab words. Then the next portion, which starts at the bottom of page 1 and goes all the way to page 3, the very top of page 3. It ends here with tundra. These are guided notes that are in this slide deck, so you can page through and take notes as you wish. The last thing we did was we needed to research the biome that your study species lives in. So there's 2 things I need for that. So first thing is to figure out what are 15 organisms that live in your biome, and then classify each organism in the right box. So we have herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores, but we also have producers down here, plants, and decomposers. We need at least 15 total. Then if you flip the page over, we want to create a common food web for your biome. So for example, if my animal is the biome of the lion is the savanna. So what I want to do is I want to Google Savannah Food Web. I want to find one online that looks really good to me, like maybe this one. And then, let's see. Excuse me. And then what you want to do is copy this down. You don't have to do the drawings and everything. The really critical thing is the name of the animal and then the arrows. Pro tip, you might want to do the food web first and then go back and classify all the organisms in your food web later. Another pro tip is if you don't want to flip back and forth between pages, another thing you could do is you could just write on your food web what type of consumer or what category that animal is in. So, for example, if you start on the bottom, all these are going to be producers. So you could write stargrass and then in parentheses, producer, and then grasshopper, herbivore, and if you don't know, that's okay. Just look it up. So like mongoose, I have no idea what a mongoose eats. So like maybe I'll search something like mongoose diet and let's see what it eats. Interesting. So it looks almost like they're carnivores. Let's see if I search mongoose. Oh, maybe it is an omnivore. So yeah. So what you can do is like you're gonna have to do a little Google searching. But the goal by the end of today is to have a really firm understanding of your study species biome. If you don't know what biome is, you got to look into this lesson and figure that out.